Alright everybody, how y'all doing today and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing of ON Blast 20-inch Bluetooth as well as TV soundbar. Yes, it's 2.0, so you got two nice good sounding woofers. It has the LED, as we all call it, RGB strip in the back. So if you want the RGB mode, you could go ahead on and turn that on, or you could turn it off to your soothing. Okay, one thing about, as you already know, presentation is always a must. Picture of the product up front, on the sides, got all your information and stuff in the back. You know, that tells you what you're getting into the speaker. Is a 120 watts of peak power Bluetooth wireless technology, stream audio from all your devices, multicolored LED lighting. It has your optical, your auxiliary, as well as your USB. The basic boosts your sound with the 120 watts peak audio from our compact 2 speakers LED soundbar. Stream your favorite audio from devices with Bluetooth wireless technology and connect directly via optical, USB, and auxiliary connections. And you cannot go wrong with it. The specs, as you see right here, you got everything right there. Specs: 2.0 channel, 2 internal speakers, 30 watts RMS output, 120 watt peak output, RMS into 4 channels, Bluetooth, multicolor lighting, 4 dimming levels, 1 optical, 1 3.5 millimeter aux jack, as well as a USB connection. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, what you get inside the box, you get all your connections, your remote, batteries. If you want to connect it to the wall, you get your anchors, your power plug, your optical mouse, as well as your auxiliary cable. Now, if you need a longer auxiliary cable, it's always good to buy a nice good 6-foot 3.5 to RCA connection if you want to connect it to your TV, or just 3.5 to 3.5 if you go on PC, as well as gaming monitors and etc. Inside, you get your Bluetooth speaker. Alrighty, here she go. Beautiful. Nice black finish. Now I do have a mesh cloth grill, so it will get a little dusty and dirty, so it's good to go ahead on and use a nice good air duster or a nice good vacuum kit with a soft bristle to go ahead on and brush all the dust off of it as well too. Here on front, you got your power on and off. Your change your selector mode from Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, and optical. You have your down and up buttons, as well as your your RGB strobe light changer. You can turn it on. You could go ahead and select whatever colors you like, or you can just turn it off. All right, in the back you have your RGB strip, your power connector, your auxiliary connector, your optical connector, as well as your USB connector. So if you have any music on your USB optical drive, if you're doing parties or whatever, you just load your music up on your optical drive, plug it in, go to the selector changer right here, change it to USB, and you're off and running. Okay, let's go ahead and plug it in and get into the sound test. Alright everybody, now we're back. Everything is all plugged in. When you plug it in, you'll see a little red dot right there in the corner, and you are all good to go. So when you turn it on, she will sound like this.
Power on, auxiliary in.
Power on, auxiliary in. As you notice on the back, you see the RGB strobe light. So now if you don't want them on, you could go, or if you want to cycle through colors, just hit the RGB button up top, You can turn it on, cycle through the colors, or you can turn off. Either or. A lot of people don't like the RGB feel. Some do, some don't. But if you don't, just go ahead and hit it 4 times to go ahead and turn it off. But meanwhile, I'm going to turn it back on. You get your rainbow RGB strip lights in the back, so can't go wrong with that. Alrighty, let's pair.
USB. Bluetooth.
She's on Bluetooth. Okay, when you go ahead and see it, you're going to go ahead and see on. When you see that there, just go ahead and click it.
Bluetooth connected.
When you connect it, it's going to say Bluetooth connected. Alright, let's listen to some music. I'm going to be playing music through the auxiliary as well as Bluetooth. The first one up is the Bluetooth. Now y'all kind of excuse that. I do have my EQ pump set to like a little more bassy, less treble, so that's me. Now here's the remote, and it comes with 2 AAA batteries. Now if your batteries are there, please make sure you have some batteries on hand. Not bad. If you want to turn it up, as you notice, the RGB light beats with the music, so yeah, it's pretty nice. If you want to pause it, you got the pause button right here on the remote, so you can always pause your music anytime you want. You can also cycle through your music if you want to move to the next track or go back a track. It's right there. You have your dimmer on here. You have your power on for the RGB for the remote, as well as your mute button. So when you basically, if you're talking to somebody and you think you're always muted, so that's a good thing here. Here you also have your source selector, as well as your Bluetooth button there. So, and you have your up and down. Alrighty, enough of that there. Let's go ahead on in and listen to how it sounds in the auxiliary mode. And it does comes with its auxiliary cable. So, and it's about a good 6 feet. Good 6 feet long. So, yeah, you see my arm stretch out. So yeah, it's pretty much good. So you got it going on here with that. Alrighty. Plug it in, take it off Bluetooth. Okay, so now selector.
Optical in. Auxiliary in.
And also all the music that I'm playing is with Epidemic Sound, and I have a subscription with them, so I'll be putting the link in the description below if you don't want to ever sign up with Epidemic Sound to go ahead and do all your YouTube vlogs, etc. They got a pretty comfortable playlist with that, so you cannot go wrong with that. But other than that, she's nice. Just like I said, if you don't really like the RGB rainbow color, you got yellow, green, red, blue, and it cycles through the colors as it beats through. So, and that's a good thing about it, that it is music sounding, so it beats the RGB like it beats with the music, which that's a good plus. Then you got your stroke or your breathe, And then if you don't want that, you can always turn it off. And that's one thing I love about these speakers here. You don't really have to have the RGB light on, but other than that, she sounds nice. Not bad. She got perfect good highs. She got perfectly everything. Oh, I'm in auxiliary, not Bluetooth, so. Okay, here's the thing. This is, as you know, OWN is a Walmart brand that affiliates with Walmart. This speaker here is $39.98. It works good as your soundbar for your television, because you gotta keep in mind a lot of people as you get up in age like me, you know, that still might like it a little bass, a little loud on the side, but some people don't. So this works good. It's not too loud, but if it is too loud for certain people that don't like to hear loud music, they can always adjust it with the remote control here, which that is a big plus with that. You do have your auxiliary cable that comes with it. You have your optical cable that comes with it. You have two AA batteries, the power plug, and some instructions and some anchors that come with it. Now, certain soundbars don't have all that. You have to buy that separately yourself. But what I recommend this here, OWN Blast 2.0 LED soundbar to the consumers. Absolutely. I'll be putting that link in the description below. Now, if the consumers wants to go ahead and purchase it, you can go ahead and purchase this off Walmart.com, or you can walk in a store and you can purchase it yourself. Other than that, she's nice, she sounds great, and you cannot go wrong with it. I want to thank everybody for watching this quick unboxing of the OWN 2.0 20-inch Blast soundbar. If you like this video, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.